description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the award-winning show where you get to see what I do with instant noodles, and then maybe you'll do it too. I don't care. This is one that I picked up over at the grocery outlet store. This is Immi and their black garlic chicken instant noodle, and I'll tell you right now, the last time I had these folks' stuff, I was really stoked the first time I tried it. The company sent me product, I was jazzed, and then all the hype about it and everything that they were saying about it, how great it was, you saw all these posts, it's like, oh, it's the most wonderful thing in the world. Fell flat on its ass when I actually tried it. The rubber band noodles were nasty. The soup base was alright, but the noodles themselves were impossible. Well, I don't know 100% for sure if this is the old version or the new version, but I haven't had it in years, and I heard that they came out with a new version, and I asked them, hey, I want to give you guys another chance. Crickets. I think they were just pissed off that I gave them a bad review for a product that really wasn't ready for prime time at that point. But oh my god, the epic PR machine for this stuff was through the roof. It just had all these hipster people, nothing against the fat hipster obviously, but hipster people just eating these noodles and just being like, it's so great, I'm loving life, this is the way to live, and it's so wonderful. But it's like you're chewing up rubber bands, and I had multiple people see my reviews and they were like, thank you so much for putting out an honest review on how bad this stuff is. So I don't like giving bad reviews, so I'm hopeful that this will be good. Now they have two options for the cooking: 4 minutes for softer and 5 minutes, 4 minutes for more chewy and 5 minutes for softer. I'm gonna go for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna bet you that they are chewy as hell, but I could be totally wrong. And once it's done, you cook it for 5 minutes, and then you save 1 cup of water from it, mix in the Spice Girls sachet, because it says spice up your life, and then you hope. So I'm hopeful. What's more is this stuff was just like obscenely expensive. I paid 99 cents for 1 pack. I think that's pretty reasonable. But when I did so, on the receipt, it said you saved $4.99. What? $6 to chew on some rubber bands. It's got some nice features to it. The only problem is they weren't so good. I'm really, really hoping that these guys turned it around. But 24 grams of protein, 5 grams of net carbs. It's plant-based, that's why it has chicken in air quotes. Pea protein is the #1 ingredient. And what I remember before, I bet you this is going to be totally different. Because before, it was like pumpkin seed flour that they made. And I was like really hyped on that because I'm like, oh wow, pumpkin, I like pumpkin. I like pumpkin spice. It didn't make me think though that this stuff was going to be just like so violently. Ugh. But we'll see. Hopefully this stuff will not be that way and it'll be enjoyable and I can give them at least a 3.5. 3.5 is like average, okay, I can live with it. So far, from the way it feels, this feels like the same frickin' deal, folks. I don't know. I guess we'll see. You went way too low. There we go. But 5 minutes for an instant noodle should be more than plenty. But this stuff doesn't seem to be... Come on. But yeah, it is April 21st, 2026. How you doing? It is now getting cloudy where I live, and that's okay. I can live with that. A little bit of cloudiness. Got a new album today at the thrift store. I haven't listened to the instructional side, but the non-instructional side was pretty good. It's just got a bunch of really cheesy generic disco, which I'm a fan of. This is my second Learn Disco Dancing album. I'm not going to learn disco dancing per se. I like playing it for the kids. I actually got another one called Disco for Kids. These things pop up every once in a while. It's like, it's enjoyable. Oof. I can just feel the yeah, this is either going to go really well or somewhat well, or they don't want to come apart. They don't want to stir. They still got a minute and a half. I'm going to give it that much time. And then we got to take a cup of it and reserve that and then drain the rest of it. So I'm preparing for that happenstance right now, so you will be ready to enjoy that. I guess we'll need a drainage device. Who wants to drain, huh? I'm really hopeful. God, what did dude say? Expect nothing, appreciate everything. Like, yeah. There was a thing on one of, I like to look up training videos for different restaurants. Like there's a Taco Bell one, a KFC one, a McDonald's one. You look around, you'll find all sorts of them. Some are really bad. Some are trying to be hip for the kids, you know. But there was one, it was like thank, appreciate, something. I can't remember what it was. I want to say it was a Taco Bell VHS. Actually, somebody gave me that. That's right. And it was really awful. Okay, 1 cup. We'll go this route. That went 5 minutes. All right, there's your 1 cup. And now we're going to drain the excess liquid. Okay. All right. They seem weird. Okay. I'm really hopeful. I'm really, really hopeful. Good luck to you, Immi. People of the world. Every boy and every girl. Okay, here we go. Spicing it up. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Okay. Oh, this is not gonna be great. I can just feel the way it's stirring that these things are chewy as hell. I mean, literally, it feels like they're made of rubber. And I remember before, when I asked them, oh God, no. When I asked them, okay. Cheers. Okay. All right, so they're a little less. If that's supposed to be soft, I don't know, but I can hear them squeaking on my teeth. I'm gonna take another bite because these are just so weird. I don't know. There's a lot easier ways to get protein. So there's that. Now let's just try the broth, because maybe that will get it out of the 0-star range, because right now it's in the 0-star range. Broth. If you or a loved one actually had paid $6 or more for this, you were taken. I'm sorry. This is horrible. That gets 0 stars. That gets 0 stars with a bullet. I mean, that's like when they found out that Milli Vanilli was lip syncing. These noodles aren't right. The texture is all funky. They just don't want to work. Now, I usually don't do this. Look at that. See how they jiggle? They're like rubber. I swear, you could throw these. Okay, let's see if I can do this. I'm gonna grab one noodle. I don't know though. I don't know what to. Oh, that'll be too difficult. I was gonna say I was gonna take a noodle and put like 4 or 5 knots in it, and then drop it, and we would see if it would bounce. But I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm saddened. I do not recommend this product whatsoever. That's freaking awful. And I'm actually going to use a nice egg and put it in with them and try to make this stuff look pretty, and I don't know why. I guess that's just my way. But, you know. Whoa. It's not like it deserves it. This noodle is undeserving of a pretty egg. So I guess, man, I'm bummed that I just got done doing my bottom 10 list, because that deserves to be on there. Christ. It's that bad. And just the fact that it costs so much. But that's not like the only one that I've found that has been really expensive and has been bottom 10 worthy. Company called Omsom make ones that are in little boxes, rad boxes. But it just tastes awful. It tastes like that stuff tastes like what do you call it? Gastric reflux. That stuff's filthy too. So I'm bummed. I really wish it was a better tasting thing, but this is awful. So watch it spin around if you want. You don't have to. watching. Actually, that was really fun. I really like trying stuff that I don't think I'm gonna like and hope I will and whatever. I'll try anything, you know. But yeah, this was bad. The next one you're gonna see is, I'm hoping it's super good because that one I ordered special. So, but you'll have to see what it is tomorrow. You will. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.